So day 5, we're going to start on our legs because you've now got your arms complete. So what you're going to be doing today is you don't need to worry about your feet yet. Now this leg that I've got here has got this foot on. You don't need to worry about your feet yet. Today you just need to make 2 of the pieces very similar to your arms. You've just got a few extra rounds in there. So there's nothing that I'm going to show you technique wise at all. It's everything that you've already covered in the arms. So if you need to recap, then head back to watch the other video because you'll be jointing in the same way that we did for the arms. So make your 2 legs and then it's a chance again tomorrow to make that decision about whether you're going to go for what type of feet. So are you going to go for the split ones? Are you going to match them, or are you going to start to mix and match them as we hit this stage? More about that tomorrow. Make your 2 legs and then we'll enjoy putting those toes in place tomorrow.